Hi guys, it's a Miracle Jade here, and we're in the middle of a move. As you can see, our room is like basically bare and we still have a lot to go, but I was like, hey, I got a new ring light, I'm gonna film, I don't care, plus boyfriend's at work, so I got the room to myself. But anyway, I am going to do a no foundation makeup routine. This is like the makeup routine I use to go to work, or if I'm like going to the store but I don't want to look like this, because this is me barefaced. My skin tone, I don't know. I think that I'm a warm skin tone. That's what I've always thought. That's how I bought my stuff. But then I finally got color matched for my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm 380 cool. So don't know. I mean, you guys can give me suggestions. To me, I look pretty, like, especially like right here, I look pretty yellow. I don't think I look really pinky, but I guess I'm pink. So hey, I'm more of a cool tone. Had no clue. We just gonna get on with our lives, I guess. I've still been doing my no makeup routines and things like that. That's like my normal go-to, is the no makeup because I don't like to wear too much, except for like yesterday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, so yesterday I was like, you know, on fleek or whatever. My face was beat, but that's okay. That's like a once in a while thing. We're going to this thing on Saturday, tomorrow, and of course I'm gonna beat my face for that too. But in the meantime, and like for work, or like I said, when I'm about to go to the store because we're going shopping later, I kind of just tone everything down a bit, and I use concealer, not over my face, all over my face, like the last video I did. Last one I did kind of all over my face, and that was like a light medium coverage routine. This is like no foundation. Like, I'm not using it all over my face. It's nothing special. My eyebrows are nothing special. As you can see, like my eyebrows are, I don't even know, they're like transparent, but oh well, you gotta work with what you got, okay? And this is all I got right now. So I'm gonna use my Pro concealers, LA Girl Pro concealers. I'm gonna use these. NYX brow gel, my Glossier Cloud Paint. You know I use this every time. This is like, this is my go-to. For powders, I've been using Ruby Kisses No More Blemish powder. This stuff, amazing. And then I have this Fit Me powder, which is, as you can see, I hit pan. This thing is like mad old. I hit pan on it, but oh wow, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it until it's gone, and then I'm gonna get another one, and then whatever. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with the lips as of yet. I might do like burgundy. I love my burgundies. But as you can see, my hair's been growing back, guys. It's growing. Little curly cues in there. This is cool. Yeah, looks pretty healthy, and I'm loving it. But all right, I'm gonna dive right in. Warm Honey Pro Concealer. And sorry, I don't have a mirror in this setup, so I'm gonna use the little mirror that goes with this. And I buy glasses, but I'm just gonna start in with my under eye, just to brighten that up, because these dark circles, man. I do that, and then I'm gonna do my nose, which that was not a straight line. Oh well. I don't use too much concealer. Like I said, this thing has to blend out really well, and you don't want to like overdo it. Then I'm going to use my other one in Fawn. It's not really my skin tone, but around my mouth, as you can see, my mustache and all that, like that, all that stuff, like that darkness, all I gotta go. So I'm just gonna paint this joint on. Just paint it on all around the mouth, under here, do my chin a little bit, and then once it blends out, trust me, it'll look way better. I did this so sloppily. As you can see, I do this like when I'm rushing to get out of the house, like literally rushing. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna blend. Blending is probably the worst part. This sponge is damp. I do clean my sponges. These sponges were originally white. They're the elf sponges, They were originally white, and yeah, they're not white anymore since, you know, my foundation is nowhere near white, or my concealers are nowhere near white. And I do clean them. It's just I don't know how to get the color to like come all the way out. It's so hard. And I've tried everything. Like I've used micellar water, micellar, I don't know. I've used micellar water to try to like pull or lift the pigment out of the sponges, and it's not really working, but that's okay because I'm gonna work what I got. And I mean, it's been working for me lately, and I think they're like clean enough, but I have to re-clean them anyway, so I'll probably do that like Sunday on my little chill day. So, but yeah, you see how these are kind of warm colors, and they blend out pretty well with my skin. So I don't know why they say I'm a cool, I don't know. But I know it looks really, really, really bright right now, but it's gonna tone down once we use the powder. I promise. But around that mouth gotta go, I'm sorry. It's a constant thing. Oh, wait, I'm getting a call from my boyfriend. Hold on. Hey, babe.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, you're filming? My bad.
You're
Is there a way you can, like, pause the video?
I don't know. I'm kind of just blending right now, so I'm gonna speed through this anyway. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I blended all of that out, as you can see. It looks pretty good. Like, I mean, I can see where it's like a little really yellow, but like for brightening, I'm pretty yellow. Like in the bright parts of my face, as you saw earlier, like right here is pretty dark compared to the rest of my face. But all right, so I'm just gonna set it a little bit. And I've been setting my under eye with the Fit Me powder, because I've been using the banana. I have like the Revolution's banana powder, and every time I set with it, it pools gray. And I don't want to look gray. I don't want to look like I'm dying, or, you know, like I am bitten by the undead. So I've been using this, and it doesn't pool as gray. And I don't know. I feel like it just works better. So I'm going to use this to set under my eyes, since this color is a little, it's really light. It was I used to use it a long time ago in high school before I got, you know, extremely tan. So I've been using it just for under eye, not for my whole face. The Ruby Kisses one that I have is definitely more my speed when it comes to my whole face. And that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses, and it comes with this like cute little like sponge. Oh, I love it. And then you just kind of, you see that? See how it just melts in? And it looked like my skin looks so clear. And then I kind of put it here just to tone all of that down. I kind of just put it all over my face, to be honest. And it blends in so well. And it makes my skin look extremely smooth. And Ruby Kisses, like, this is a drugstore. This is like beauty supply around the way. And I use it basically every day. If I'm feeling a little shiny or anything, I put it on. If I feel a little, like, I don't know, if I have a little blemish that I just want to, like, I don't want it to be as noticeable, I put it on. So this is like my literal go-to. And as you can see, like, even now, like, my skin looks way more even than it did when I started the video. I don't even have my glasses on, and I mean, let me do that so like you can see, or I can see. A little dirty, but yeah, I think this looks like way better. My mustache isn't as noticeable, and it's very light. Like, I feel like I have nothing on my face, literally, but my skin looks amazing, so we're gonna continue. Next, what I just do, like, I have the tips of my brows. They're not as prominent, which is okay. So I just kind of like use the brow gel just to make it a little bit darker and to keep them in place. Shit, it didn't break. Ruby kisses for the win. But yeah, I just use it just to kind of darken and keep them in place, keep them kind of looking all right. Because I don't want them to look too perfect. This is, like I said, this is like no makeup. This is no foundation, none of that beat. So people aren't born with perfect brows, and if you are, congratulations, okay? Congratulations. I just take my Glossier cloud paint. It's in the color Haze. This is the only color I have right now. I want to get more, but let me think. Girl, I ain't got enough coin for that. My coin is limited. And I just kind of like, just pat it into my face. Just to bring some color. So I'm not looking like, you know, muted out. This is just to bring a little bit of color back to my face. And I always put it on my nose. I'm sorry. I'm one of those I'm extra. And I'm gonna be extra until I die. So y'all gonna have to deal with it for a while, but a little bit more. Just pat that in. And it shows up really nice on camera. I'm surprised. I never really like, well, I never filmed with this camera. But yeah, just pat that in. Sometimes I'll put on a highlight, just a little bit, not today. I mean, like I said, no makeup. I mean, once I set, it kind of gives me a glow anyway. Like once I set it all, I'll get a glow, but like for now, I'm not doing it. So I'm setting with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist Set. Back to my glasses because I need to see in order to, ooh, who's that? But I need to see in order to get these lips together. Sometimes I actually put the cloud paint like right on my lips. But today, I think I'm gonna, you know, go for that, oh, my lips are just done, but I don't have any makeup on type look, but that's okay. So right now I have the NYX Lingerie. I think this is an After Hours. I thought it'd be darker on like the swatch in the store. It looked darker, but it's not. And it doesn't dry darker. It's pretty like, I don't know. It's a nude for me. I thought it'd be like a dark brown, kind of like the Fenty Unveil. I think that's the one I have. I thought it would look like that, and it doesn't. But thank God Fenty Unveil came out, and I was like, ooh. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This is the Velvet Mousse by Hard Candy. I love these because they dry down matte, but they're not like, I don't know, they don't like crunch, and they leave your lips moisturized. And oh, when they say Velvet Mousse, they really meant Velvet Mousse. Okay, and this bad boy's gonna dry down, and I'm gonna look like, you know, who's that girl out there shopping, you know, looking all flawless, even though she looks like she just woke up like that. But trust me, I don't wake up like this. This is the power of makeup. But you see, it's kind of like, it's still like, I don't know how to describe it. But trust me, when this thing dries, it's so matte. It's matte, but like I can still like rub my lips together without it like crumbling and falling off. I can go like, and you know, my lips won't like crack. It's very smooth, and I just love the color. It goes with my skin tone really well. So hey, that is all for today. That is the tutorial for today. I'm hopefully gonna be coming out with way more videos now that I'm moving, and now that like I have a ring light and an awesome new camera, which, you know, shows off all of my beautiful skin, which has been really, you know, cooperating lately, because normally I got them breakouts and all that. But so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm really open to trying new things or trying out different products. I don't mind. I'm sure you won't mind if you're watching, because if you're watching, I mean, obviously you want to see me do it. So hey, to each his own. But thank you guys for supporting me and all that jazz, and like and subscribe. I think I already said that, but hit that bell too, because you know, you hit the bell, you get the notifications and everything when I do upload, and you know, that'd be great if you got the notifications and then you're like, hey, she uploaded, instead of like finding out months later that I uploaded something and missing it. Yeah, you don't want to miss it. You don't. I'm going. Bye.